today we're going to be doing this look which is inspired from Divyanka Tripathi or Ishita from Yeh Hai Mohabbatein. A lot of you guys were requesting for this makeup look, so I thought I should go ahead, record this look because it's such a pretty look, such a natural glam sort of a look. And yes, I hope you guys will like this look, and if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off today with the foundation. I'm going to highlight with my concealer later because she has pretty highlighted skin. And the foundation I'm using today is a Maybelline Dream Satin Skin. I've already reviewed this and this is my favorite foundation at the moment. So yes, I'm just going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand and then I'm just going to buff it into my skin using this brush. Done with that, I'm going to highlight and conceal at the same time, and for that I'm going to use this Vision's Natural Retouch Concealer. This is in the shade Natural. I'm guessing it's in the shade Natural and it's like a pen concealer. So I'm going to use it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin and a little bit between my eyebrows. Is done, I'm going to use the Elle Glow Compact to set down my face so that nothing moves, nothing creases. Next I'm going to contour a little because Divyanka has pretty features and they have been chiseled out even more with the help of contouring. So I'm just going to use this VS Makeup Bronzer in the shade Bronze Ambition, my fave, to chisel out my features. Divyanka always has like a pretty pink blush going on, so I am using this Elle blush in the shade Glitz and Glam. It's a really pretty pink blush and I'm just going to pick it up on a blush brush by Elle as well, and I'm just going to tap off the excess because this is pretty pigmented, and then I'm just going to go on the apples of my cheeks. Take this Go to Heaven palette by Makeup Revolution and I'm going to pick up this pretty shade right here, which is sort of yellowish, whitish, goldish, reflectish. There is a lot of ish in one sentence, but yes, I'm going to pick it up with this brush and I'm going to go directly on my cheekbones to highlight my face. Look at them glow. I'm going to start off with the eyebrows. Her eyebrows are thinner than mine, but they're way fuller than mine are. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Coloricon eyebrow and eye pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm going to fill into my brows. To make this look less harsh, I'm just going to use an eyebrow brush and I'm going to brush through my eyebrow hair. Then I'm going to pick up that same Go to Heaven palette. This has beautiful shades which are perfect to do Divyanka's look. So I'm going to pick up this rose gold sort of a shade. Her makeup is always pretty neutral but with certain pink undertones. So I'm just going to pick up that rose gold color on a base shadow brush and I'm going to dust this all over my eyelid. Then on an angular blender brush, I'm going to pick up this dark brownish sort of a shade from right here and I'm going to place it right in my crease to define my crease. As I said, her look always has a hint of pink. I'm going to pick up this pink shade from right here, hope you can see the shade, on that same brush and I'm going to go back into my crease with this. This will just add a beautiful dimension. Then I'm gonna take a small brush like so, and I'm gonna pick up black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line. She sometimes wears kajal and she sometimes doesn't wear kajal. Personally, I like the look where she doesn't wear it and has like a nude liner on her waterline. You can obviously apply kajal and it would still look good. After applying the black, I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used for my rose gold shade, and I'm gonna blend this black out. Then I'm gonna take this nude liner from Oriflame and I'm gonna line my waterline. Liner is never really harsh or stark, so I'm gonna use this Blue Heaven Artisto Kajal. I love it to bits. It's so good and so affordable, and if you want a really nice kajal or a liner, definitely go for this. So yes, I'm just gonna take the brush that comes in with the packaging only, and I'm gonna draw a semi-thick line, and I'm gonna wing it ever so slightly so that when I have my eyes open, it look like an extension of my lashes only. Blessed with pretty long lashes, and sometimes she does wear false lashes as well. For this particular look, I'm not gonna wear false lashes, and I'm just gonna go in with this Coloressence HD Volume Mascara and apply it on my upper and lower lashes both. Lastly, we have lips, and Divyanka loves to wear pink lips, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna use REB02 from Maybelline Rebel Bouquet collection. It's a pretty pink shade, and I'm gonna use it all over my lips. The look is incomplete without a pretty pink bindi, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. With that, we finish this Divyanka Tripathi or Ishita Bhalla from Yeh Hai Mohabbatein inspired makeup look. It's a really natural, pretty look which you can wear to brunches or to some puja or something like that. It complements almost every skin tone because it has pretty golds and pinks, which I really like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look as well. And I have mostly used, I think, Indian drugstore products. I think so. I'm not really sure, but I really think so. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. If you do recreate this look, then do not forget to send it to me on my social media. All my social media links would be in the bottom bar along with an address where you can send me letters and things, and I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.